Is your laptop crawling like it's stuck in 2010? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you advanced 2025 tested methods that work on any PC or laptop, whether you're a gamer, a student, or a professional editor. First, let's unlock raw power. Press Windows plus R, type powercfg.cpl, and hit Enter. Select Ultimate Performance Mode. If you don't see it, open Command Prompt as admin and type this on screen and also in description. This hidden setting removes all CPU throttling, giving you desktop-level performance even on laptops. Next, forget Task Manager. Use Microsoft Auto Runs. Download it from Microsoft's site. Run it as admin. And uncheck unnecessary startup programs like auto-updaters, cloud syncs, or unused drivers. Unlike Task Manager, Auto-Run shows every hidden process slowing your laptop. Now let's use your hardware smarter. Go to Settings, System, Display, Graphics. Turn on hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Then, for apps like Chrome, Photoshop, or games, set them to high-performance GPU instead of let Windows decide. This pushes heavy apps directly to your dedicated GPU. Slow search can drag the whole system. Type indexing options in Start. Click Advanced, and choose Rebuild Index. While you're here, exclude folders like program files or games that don't need constant indexing. This speeds up file search and frees system resources. Advanced users, listen up. Go into your BIOS by pressing F2 or Delete during boot. Enable XMP or DOCP for RAM overclocking, update your BIOS firmware, and check for hidden features like resizable bar. These optimizations unleash performance that Windows alone can't touch. Instead of basic disk cleanup, open PowerShell as admin and type, then run. This unlocks hidden cleanup options like clearing Windows Update caches, old drivers, and delivery optimization files, saving gigabytes of space and removing lag. For the finishing touch, disable unnecessary visual effects. Go to sysdm.cpl, click Advanced, Performance Settings, and select Adjust for best performance. Then re-enable only smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. This keeps Windows snappy but still visually pleasant. Visuals, Windows Performance Options menu. Side text, balance speed plus appearance.